Hey guys, today is going to be a full review on the new Maybelline Python Lip Kit. So today I have 4 of these amazing lip kits. They are all in different colors obviously, and I'm really excited to be trying them out. So I'm basically just going to be doing like a lip swatch type of video, showing you guys how to apply them. So you can really get creative with your lip colors, and it's just a really huge trend lately. So I'm super excited to be showing these to you guys. This is a sponsored video by Maybelline, so thank you so much to Maybelline for supporting me on this video. Maybelline has always been a really awesome brand, and one that I purchased so much since the beginning of my makeup career, and it's one of the brands that really helped me experiment with makeup and try new things because it's not a super expensive brand. So to go and buy something at the drugstore and try it, it's really gonna help you get creative and practice your skills. And honestly, drugstore makeup nowadays is really good. Like, they've totally bumped up their formulas, their textures, their packaging, so super comparable to high-end products. So the first lip kit I'm going to use is this one right here. This is a beautiful nude and gold. This is in shade 30 Provoked. And basically all you're going to do to open up this little package is just slide it right out, and right there is the little package. These are what the 2 shades look like that you get in the package, and basically like the great thing about these products is that you actually get 2 products in one, and part of me really wants to use this shimmer as an eyeshadow. Like, it's super beautiful and really pigmented, as you can see. Like, the pigment on that is amazing. So the whole point of these is so you can get really creative with your lip looks, and it comes with this really beautiful nude shade, and then this one right here is like almost a creamy eyeshadow consistency, and you're just gonna literally apply that right to like the high points of your lips to get really creative and give you a really nice metallic python lip. So the first step that we're gonna do is grab a little lip brush, and you can use anything really that you have that is small and can really fit and get detailed on your lips. I'm using this one here. This is by Royal Brushes. It's the pointed lip brush. And I'm just going to go right into this product, and I'm gonna get my brush super coated and saturated with this product on both sides. The one thing I wish this did have was a little mirror so that I can, like, on the go pretty much do this, but it doesn't, so I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm gonna grab a little mirror. So I really love this lip color. Like, this is definitely one of my favorite colors. It's just like the perfect mauve nude shade for my personal skin tone. It's like my lip color but better, and that's like the best thing to possibly find. Also, I just want to mention that the actual consistency of this product is very nice. Like, it's creamy but not slippery, and it dries like a satin matte finish, and it also feels like I'm not really wearing anything on my lips, which is nice. The next part of this lip kit is the metallic side. So basically what you're gonna do is grab this. You can definitely use your fingers if you want. For me, I'm gonna grab a little brush. I'm just gonna go right into that product and pick a little bit up on my brush. It's super pigmented, actually. I'm super surprised. I literally just dabbed it in there twice and it is good to go. So the key points of where you wanna put the metallic is on the very top of your lip where your cupid's bow is, and right on the center of your lip here. And those are the fullest points of your mouth. So the light will hit those areas in the most beautiful way and really show that pop of metallic color. So it definitely adds that extra little like boom to your lips, and it makes them look just more plump, and also adds that little bit of metallic. The next color that I'm going to be trying on is this one right here. This is number 10 Piercing. Wow. This one is definitely different. I'm really excited to see how this looks on the lips. It's more of like a deep purple, so perfect for fall and winter. Or honestly, it's perfect for any time. Like, you can wear this whenever you want. So again, I'm just going right into this color with my brush and making sure that I am saturating my brush on both sides to get a really good coverage. Okay guys, so that is it for my full swatch video of the Maybelline Python Lip Kit. I want to know what you guys think about this lip kit. Personally, this one here is definitely my favorite. It's the most playful, it's the most fun. The pigment definitely like pops on top of that purple color. I'm just literally obsessed with this lip. Let me know down below, have you guys tried this product? Would you try it? And if you have, let me know what you think. Give this video a thumbs up if you guys enjoyed. Let me know down below some more comments. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram page because the gram is poppin'. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.